Okay, let's try the gliders. I will go directly to La Cerdanya airfield, where I found in for real in gliders, and so I'll check the single seater. Okay. Also, I'm okay, and I have to select. There's a new menu. Just finding out about which is the launch method you will have. One is the Cessna, and the other methods are winches. And there are 3 different types of winches, designed different. Okay, I'll try. First, we try the Cessna launch here. Not making a longer flight. Okay, here we are. We are in the cockpit. I used to rise a little bit the view. No, I can. No more. Okay, bye. The basic controls are here. I see the guy. I'm looking at the left wing. I see the guy who is in charge of controlling it. And now what? Yeah. I think I have to move the rudder. Okay, then when I move the rudder, it's the signal. The guy that says okay, and the Cessna starts towing. Ah, nice, perfect. Okay. During the towing, I do not need so much rudder input. In reality, I need a bit more. Now I should take off before the Cessna. I'm not taking off. What's happening? The Cessna is taking off. Whoa, wobbly. The Cessna took off before me. I've not flown this model of glider. I've flown a different one, and with 2 people on board, we were on the air just before the towing plane. It was not a Cessna, was a rally. Maybe a difference here, but it was strange for me. They're saying that. Okay, now I will let climb a little bit. I'm in Cerdanya Airport, following the glider. I'm following the tow plane. No problem in following the tow plane. They have explained us that we have 2 varios, and also we have the Mac ready to use with competitions. We have ballast also. We can use the ballast to drop the ballast. One of the varios, the left one, which is the white vario, takes this. It compensates my pilot inputs. Okay, the Cessna now is turning. One of the first things I want to test is the adverse yaw. What is typical in a glider is when you roll, the wing that it's going up makes more resistance than the wing that's going down, and that makes the glider make an adverse yaw, and you have to compensate it with the rudder. It's strange, the rudder I need to input. I want to see the ball. Okay. Have no ball. The only way you find compensated is to follow the lane that is attached to the windscreen. I think it's enough. I have a so quiet altitude. I will release the cable. Releasing the cable. The cable is out. Oh. Okay, Cessna is up there. I expect him to return. And now let's see the speed. I think I'm flying Oh, so slow. Ah, okay, now I see. Okay, I try a little bit. One moment, I will try to show. The gliders has tow plane takeoff assistance. It was off for this flight. In assisted control sensitivity, it was also off. I see some kind of, and also maybe I have to activate thing. I think battery. Ah, here. Okay, let's try to make some. No. Okay. Yes, there are some adverse yaw. No, I'm falling, really falling. Ah, the speed brakes. So I activated the visualization of the thermals just to see how they perform. Let's see if I can change a little bit to gain altitude. I see the field now. Come on, give me some lift. Okay, I came back. I have small thermal. It's good. We'll try to put it at the right speed. No, it was just before. I have in the gliders also in the airspeed indicator. There's a mark of the optimal speed when you at the best speed you can glide. Here. No. That kind of fight when there are not so much. Pip, come on. I'm just holding up. No, the question is, as I had the TCA had the speed brake configured here. I'm not in the throttle, it's different. Now I'm 120 kilometers per hour, for example, and try to roll left. Not so much adverse yaw, some kind, but not so much I expected. So okay, yes, I'm arriving. Found some changed speed by altitude. Lowering the gear. Ah, the landing gear. Okay, perfect. Okay. I'm changing the. Okay. No. No. Wings parallel to the ground. Okay. My landing. It's snappy. I have a lot of control in pitch, which is normal. Yes, it's okay. The adverse yaw, when I was expecting to roll, the nose should move that way. So when I was should to roll, whoop, it should make that kind of rotation. Also, when I roll to the right, the nose goes to the left. Just a little bit, not so much. Well, I think it's okay for at least starting gliding. I will try now the other kind of launch, and I will modify the weather, the time, to have more thermals, so in a hot day, and to check it a little bit. Okay, back to the same airfield. When you switch the date in the calendar to a hot date, you can then have more thermals, obviously. And now I will select in the launch method the winch. And for example, the Europe, like the winch, it sounds to me, I think I've seen it before today in some airfield. Okay, let's fly. So the launch method is curious. You have to look at the left side. You have the guy that's holding the wing, because it helps you to take off straight. And when you move the rudder, he tells, okay, but it just in a movement, in a strange movement. We'll see. Now it's the winch. Okay, gear down. speed brakes closed and blocked. Then I look to the left, right rudder, he says okay, and I'm about to be launched, I expect. Now, yes? Whoa, 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 fast, fast, fast. Yeah, nice, oh! Up. Okay, the winch is a very violent takeoff. You have to take off at that angle. The cable stays below you, and when you surpass the cable, you climb as much as you can, and when you launch the cable, you release it. Now, I think I'm released, and I'll check if I've done it well. I'm looking, circling around, but it's okay. I have a lot of wind. I'll activate again the thermals, the 3D options to see that, whoa, there are a lot of more of thermals now. At the end, I forgot to change the plane. Yes, I had a positive climb. Yeah, it's different now. Okay. Okay, I will prepare the landing before, because I have in the demos it always depends on the cockpit and how is it configured, and so here there is an Xbox. Okay, it's good for me. Let's try again the adversion. So if I move, yes, it does somewhat of adversion, not so much that I expected, but it does. It does it. Nice. Okay, let's go to land. Have to test. Okay, I have really crosswind now. Let's see. Now I have it more on the feeling of the plane on the touch. It's still very sensitive on the pitch axis, which is normal for a glider, and stable. Closing the speed brakes for the turn, not to lose so much. Okay. Oh, at speed. Less speed. Okay. Going in. Ah, I made a bit of hard landing. Better than before. Better than before. I'm trying to keep inside the runway. I'm going out. Well, the sound, I like it. It is really nice to hear the sound about. Yes. When you land a glider and you see that sound, well, the wheel, you feel the wheel spinning and the fuselage vibrating. When the wingtip it touches the ground, it's also the noise that it makes. It makes a low boom. Good. It's a wingtip. It's a good sensation. It's obviously it's not Condor 2. It's not the other simulator, but it's the first time that gliders appear. It's a quite good representation, and it's nice because now you have it available. It's another way. Okay, let's see.